Look at that, brother. Damn. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO for the. This is a big video, amazing and expensive video, brother. This is not a joke. Look at. This is my Pavilion gaming keyboard 800. This is what I bought 4 months ago. Look at that. But this now I meet a problem. A great problem because look at, as you can see, it's working. But this keyboard not working very well. As you can see, sometimes it's not working. But as you can see here, look at, it's not working very well. And this keyboard sometimes is not working also. I don't know why. But here it's working. I put perfume under in this mechanic keyboard. I put perfume into few hours later start working. I don't know why, but sometimes it's not working. Look at, it's not working. It's not working very well. Can you see this? It's not working. It's not working very well. This is why I decided to buy a new keyboard. Look at, the light is not bright than this. Okay, this is why I decided to buy a new keyboard from Acer today. Okay, this keyboard is here. My new keyboard is in front of you. Wow, this is so crazy. In this box I have two boxes. Let me remove this. Okay, this is my new keyboard. Okay, my new keyboard is in front of you. And I have also what? Also this. This is my brand new gaming mouse from Acer also. Look at the both. I bought the both. I'm ready to make the unboxing. Let's start by the keyboard first. Okay, put this here. Let's start by the keyboard. Look at the keyboard. Beautiful. Nice presentation. And wow, cool. Look at everything. And when you turn, amazing design. Okay, Predator Aethon 500. Okay, and more information about this keyboard here. Wow, do you believe this? Come here. Look at, this is blue switch. Okay, against a red switch. This is HP. Okay, and red switch. Where are you, red switch? Okay, red switch is here. As you can see here, red mechanic switches. Okay, this is French keyboard. Okay, now let's start the unboxing. Work. But this keyboard sometimes is not working. As you can see, stop it working. Wow, this is why I decided to buy a new one. Okay, say goodbye to this keyboard. Bye bye. Goodbye. Stay here. Goodbye to this box also. Stay here. Okay. Now I have only this keyboard here. My brand new keyboard is here in front of you, brother. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? This is cool. This is good. Are you ready for the unboxing right now? Get ready. Okay, first of all, look at this keyboard. New design. Wow, I like this design. Beautiful. Nice. Wow. Oh, what? Some inscription. No. Nice. Okay. As you can see, beautiful. And when, as you can see here, look at how it works. It's look like beautiful, not bad. And as you can see, more information about this. What you need to know, you can find your language. Okay. Everywhere. Okay, cool. Good. More information about it. Yeah, this is 2018 keyboard. July 2018 keyboard. Okay, now get ready because I'm ready for the unboxing. Okay? Nice. Let's see what you need to know about this beautiful and amazing keyboard. Now, look at 5 dedicated macro key. Kailh to Trump Ash. Thank you. This is what is calling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see if it's real. Now, let's open this amazing box. Okay, scotch. Nice. Now, let's open this box right now. Okay. Okay, this is the box. The box. And have this. Look at it too. Ooh, blue keyboard. This is different than this keyboard. Baba. Look at this is. Okay, pink. Okay. Now, let's start the unboxing. What now? Okay, as you can see. Not bad. Look at what I have here. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Oh, my first impression. Wow, so different than this keyboard. Listen. Very, very different. Okay, not bad. Now, get ready for the unboxing. What can I do? Oh, look at all of this. Look at all of this, brother. Ooh, you can do this. What? This is major keyboard. Welcome here. Come here. You can see major keyboard here is here. Look at how it look like. Volume up and something. And another major keyboard here. Wow. Bye. Bye bye. No. Wow. This feels so good. Feels so good. Okay. No. Let me take this thing from here. What? What are you doing? Ooh, look at the design. Ooh, the design is just beautiful. What is this? Oh. What is this? Jesus Christ. Look at the design. Beautiful. Damn. I love it. Can you see this? Do you believe this? Jesus Christ. Okay, now get ready to see this. Wow, it's so cool, so cool, so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I love. Look at this keyboard, Baba. Wow. Wow, the design is just impressive. But I don't know. Look at that, brother. Not bad. It feels so beautiful. Wow. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Okay. Let's remove this. Look at under the keyboard. Oh, look at. Wow. Look at the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Okay. Predator is here for you. All. Okay. Now let me try to do something like just something like that. Just to try to remove this keyboard. Ooh, sweet keyboard, sweet blue is here in front of you. Wow, this is beautiful, beautiful. Look at very well this thing, brother. Sweet blue, it's blue, brother. Wow, it's blue. Look at inside. Wow, not bad. Wow, not bad. What do you think? Look at inside. Look at the powder. Okay, so cool. Let me put this inside. Look at. Ooh, wow, it's so great. It feels so good. Okay, I love. I love that. I love this. Nice job. This is like my first official gaming keyboard. Look at that. Okay, come here. Let's see the difference between the both. Listen. Different noises. Okay, now let's remove complete this beautiful keyboard. Welcome. Wow, we're doing. Okay, this is how it look like. Damn. Cool. Look at inside this box, brother. Oh, it's so cool. Wow, it's so cool. I love. And this is your keyboard. Look at here. This is seriously beautiful. Seriously wonderful. Wow, look at that. Wow. You can increase the volume. This is cool. Okay. What can I do for this? Okay, you can see. Increase the volume up to increase, volume down, and you have also okay, and this is not a joke. This is real, and I love. Wow, I think that is cool. This is a French keyboard. Wow. I don't know. Okay. Not bad. Okay. And let me turn this keyboard. Wow. This keyboard is heavy. Definitely heavy. Let me turn. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Okay, as you can see, this keyboard is so beautiful. Wow, look at that. Wow, there's something comfortable here. I love. Nice. Now we have same thing here. Not bad. Okay. And the design is just beautiful. Now look at all of this information. 2018 keyboard on 21. What is this? Okay, come here. What do you think? Predator logo. Nice. I love. Okay, this is my new gaming keyboard. My new gaming keyboard is here right now. Okay. No. Let me finish this job. Okay, with this beautiful and amazing thing. Oh, look at this side. Wow, it's so beautiful. Let me remove this. Okay. And what is this? You can see Predator under. Okay, and when you turn, you can see Predator logo here. Cool. Beautiful design. And how to use this thing, Baba? I think that this thing is magnetic, brother. Okay, no problem. Let's test this right now. Okay, let's test this right now. Okay, one. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it. Woo, it's real. Look at. It's magnetic. Look at that. Magnetic. Look at. Whoa, it's working. Very well. Definitely. Nice. Woo, it's comfortable. Brother, it's very comfortable. Not bad. Wow. This is crazy. Not bad. I like more the design. The design is so crazy. What do you think? Wow, I love this. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a quick start kit. Now, have this quick start kit? No way. And this computer, warranty, everything. Okay. Nothing special. Okay, thank you. Say goodbye. Bye. Okay, now look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Now put this in here. Nice. And connect this thing. Magnetic. Wow, so comfortable. It's so good. Okay. Now, let me connect this cable to my phone and make this on to see how it's working. Okay, I need you. I need you. Welcome. This is Samsung USB connector. Now I want to connect this Samsung USB connector to the keyboard. The keyboard right now. Okay, let's do it. Oh, look at this predator, beautiful. I love. Okay, now let me try to connect above. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Oh, what are you doing? I'm trying to connect. Let's try. And okay, I think that is in good position now. Okay, now let me connect this beautiful keyboard to my beautiful phone. Okay, magnetic. Come here. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's something here. Something here. Oh, what? Where are you? Ooh! You videos. Look at this effect. Let me go. Please. Let me see something. Okay, let's turn this phone. Now I can watch something, as you can see here. Okay, let's go for the test. Oh, nice. Look at here. Oh, it's working. A keyboard working also. Look at a keyboard. Oh wow, the effect is that beautiful. I love you. Look at this effect. Okay, no problem. It's still working. This keyboard, new keyboard. Let's see. Nice. Delete and what? Working. Seriously? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me? Look at this thing, this one. Okay. What can I do? Oh, can put this here. Keyboard. Okay, no problem. We'll do this after. Now I'm ready. There are so much features too, but I don't know how to use. But you can see this. Wow, so cool. So cool. Okay, now let me compare this keyboard with my old keyboard, old HP keyboard. Okay, wow, this is cool. This is nice. As you can see, it's definitely not a joke. Wow, cool, 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 cool box. Stay here, and let's go for the comparison. Okay, don't forget to share this video. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching.